Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Great Voell 24-inch 1080p curved monitor, a compact display that can instantly refresh your desk setup. The 2800R curved screen adds a subtle wraparound feel that makes everyday tasks more immersive, whether you're working, streaming, or casually gaming. With a 200 Hz refresh rate, scrolling and on-screen motion feel smooth and responsive compared to standard 100 Hz panels. This monitor uses a full HD VA panel with 98% sRGB coverage and a gentle 3000 R curve, delivering vibrant colors and deeper blacks. Photos, videos, and even simple web browsing look noticeably richer and more detailed. Design-wise, the ultra-slim three-sided bezel gives it a clean, modern look that works especially well in dual monitor setups. It blends nicely with laptops or secondary displays without thick borders breaking the flow. One thing to note, it doesn't include built-in speakers, so you'll need external audio. But for the visual quality and smooth performance at this size, that's a small trade-off. Overall, the Great Voell 24-inch curved monitor offers smooth motion, strong color performance, and sleek design in an affordable package. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.